Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have a yoga mat here. This is the Peloton one and it's just ridiculously heavy. But I'm gonna show you guys something I got for it here. So this, I'm gonna put this, just lay the mat down. This right here is the TECEUM and it is a yoga mat strap. So we're gonna give this thing a try. There's a barcode with some information on it if that means anything. But let's try out the strap here and see how it is and see if it holds it very well. I don't know why the mats are just mat is just so heavy. I guess it's probably quality. But let's see. So this is what the strap looks like here. And we're gonna show it here. I guess you can't see it from there. Let's aim you guys down. So I'll show you guys how it works. So I looked it up on the instructions and you kind of go like this. You wrap it around one side, tighten it up, wrap it around the other side like this. And tighten it up like that. And now you've got your yoga strap. So look at that. So check it out. How cool was that? That was like the easiest thing ever. So there's my yoga strap. And it's got nice, it looks good. I'm colorblind, it might be pink or something, I don't know, but hopefully not. But that's what I got. And so now I can take my yoga mat with me, super easy anywhere. And it holds up pretty good, so I could, use it, lay it against the wall like that, and it's gonna hold it and not unravel on me too. So very cool, so I like this. I'm gonna say thumbs up from me. The link's in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Bye.